Hey y'all, it's your girl Brica Monique. I am back to do a review for you. Today's review is coming from the one and the only Shop Miss A. Yay! If you don't know what Shop Miss A is, it's an online beauty, jewelry, makeup, and body care site. Everything on there is very affordable. I have found me some good items. So let's get right into this review. Alright, so the first thing I got from the site is cotton puffs. And I am a freelance makeup artist on the side. And I love using these so that I don't touch all of my clients' faces. So I also had to I had to get me some of these. And it's 2 in a pack. It comes with 2. They are very, very soft. And I mean, I'm glad I got them because a lot of times I get these cotton puffs. They really just come with Laura Mercier, some setting powders and stuff. But as you can see, they are very, 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 very soft. I mean, yeah. And they are by the brand AOA Studios. Never heard of them, but hey, they're pretty good. The next item that I have is the Wonder Blender. And this is what she was talking about. I can definitely say, because I never used a real beauty blender before, I can't really compare a beauty blender to Real Techniques or a beauty blender to this sponge. But, I mean, if they say that Real Techniques is a good dupe for a beauty blender, then this must be the beauty blender. It's very soft, y'all. I mean, soft is not even the word for it. Just very, very soft. And once you wet it, it's like it gets even softer. So, I mean, goodbye, beauty blender. If I've never used you before, definitely not going to use you now. So, on to the next. All right, my next item that I got from them is this liquid lipstick. I've never tried it. This is my first time opening it. So, I think I'm going to try it on with you all. Hopefully, we get some good results. I'm just going to dab down my lips a little. But okay, let's see how this applies. I mean, it's cool. Not bad at all. I don't even have a lip liner, so I mean, that's pretty good. She cute. Or whatever. Yeah, I can dig it. This is by AOA Studio. This is by AOA Studio. And this liquid lipstick is also by AOA Studio. So the next item that I got from them is this small flat shader brush. Again, I think all of my brushes and my little makeup items, they're from AOA Studio. So, just to get it out there. This is a small flat shader brush, and it's the AOA Studio E122 brush. And it looks like this. Very cute, very flat. It's real soft though. I mean, I like it a lot. Just from the feel of it. I never used it, but hey, comes in handy. My next items is this Kabuki brush duo. This is the F4 and the E104 brush. Oh, that's cute. It's a good buffer brush. I use this for concealer, honey, to buff. This is the E104 brush. High def brush, I'm sorry. Got the bristles on that. Of course, it's synthetic, but it is very, very, very soft. I mean, I like that a lot. And then that came as a duo set with the High Def F4 brush, which is, of course, I use these for makeup, honey. I love my liquid makeup, and this is what I buff with. Very, very, very nice. Lots of bristles. Of course, it's synthetic, but, I mean, I just love that. Very, very soft. Very soft, very soft. All right. And of course, these two came in a set together, so can't go wrong with that. My next item that I got from them is this fan brush, you guys. You know I love me a good fan brush for some highlighter or to contour this nose, honey. And it came with a little case. Now I'm going to tell you about this fan brush. I love it. It's soft. It's cute. But look at the bristles, y'all. And maybe it's just mine, but do y'all see that? How it snags and stuff? And that was just like my first time taking it off the sleeve, but I mean, am I gonna have to cut it or I don't know. It's still a cute brush and I will still use it, but I would like better bristles if I can say myself. It's cute. It'll do the job. So, toodles. Alright, so my next item, you guys. This is a highlighter brush. I always thought that this was the only highlighter brush until I really got into makeup. Then I started using these. Call me late, whatever. Y'all didn't know either, so. Ugh. But anyways, I got this highlighter brush. It's an F19 highlighter brush. And it's also, of course, by AOA Studio. Very nice, very neat. It'll do the job, as I always say. It will do the job. Very cute. Very soft. Again, bristles are very soft, so. I mean, hey, can't go wrong with that. Once again, it'll do the job. So here are my brushes, you guys. I mean, I feel like they will be worth me paying for them. So, and if you see me keep looking up, my mirror is right behind my camera. So, yeah. FYI. Okay, you guys. So, my next item that I got is this Circle and Bars Anklet. I love me some good costume jewelry, honey. I mean, true enough, I love the good real stuff as well, but come on, sometimes you just want something quick and easy, right? I'm not the only girl who go to the hair store and look through stuff. I mean, I love it, so why not get it? And then I also got this 3-piece leaf bracelet set. Pretty cute. You see it comes with the chain and then the bar. And, oh, it's not a bar. It's a leaf. Duh. It's a leaf and then the 2 chains. I thought that was really cute, so it's a cute bracelet set. And my very last item, you guys. I mean, I'll just go ahead and take these out now and put them on, because why not be a little ratchet? A little ratchet. So, uh-oh. Drop one of them, but you know, players mess up too, so. Let's see if I can get it up. I'm back. I'm back. So my last items is this Rhinestone studded hoop earrings. I mean, you know, what girl doesn't love some hoops, you guys? Do you not see that? Okay. Yep. She does the job and she does it well. All right. Final thoughts. I think that everything that I purchased was very, very, very worth the purchase. I love everything. Like I say, I can't go wrong with these brushes. They will definitely come in handy as a freelance MUA. And yeah, I think they'll get the job done. You know what I mean? And I definitely will be purchasing more brushes from them after I give these a test run. But I really do think I will be back to purchase more from them. My beauty items, like I stated, I've already used one of these because I ordered 2 of these. And I also used this one. Well, not this one, but this one came in a 2-pack. And I've used the other one once I got it, just to test it out. And the liquid lipstick, it's pretty cool. I will say for it to be $1, it's fine. It's sticky, but it's cute. Can't go wrong with that, so yeah, it's worth it. My little costume jewelry, I mean, hey, you can't go wrong with this stuff. I don't care how bougie you are. You have worn it. You will wear it. And I will buy you some if you haven't worn it. I'm just playing. Don't quote me on that because I won't buy you nothing. Anywho. Alright, Shop Miss A. I would definitely say your site, to me, you get a good A. A minus. And the only reason why I'm saying an A minus is because it took me 2 weeks to get my order. But, I mean, it's whatever. Plenty of people take 2 weeks, so it's all good. but I do love the site. Everything was very easy and accessible, and it was just pretty much laid out right there for you. I would definitely say go onto their website, Shop Miss A. Is it .com? Yeah, shopmissa.com. Browse through, you know, get you some good items and just try stuff out. They definitely get an A for me. So thank you guys so much for sticking tuned. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Guys, make sure you share if there's anything that you want to see me rate or any looks that you want to see me do. Please don't forget to comment down below. Also, don't forget to check out me on my social media, Instagram and Facebook. And yeah, just feel free to comment, you guys. Thank you guys for so much. Just thank y'all so much for, you know, viewing my videos and being very attentive. And just thank you very much for viewing again and again and again. Just thank you guys. And I will see you later. Bye, y'all.